Students, I'm Raja Chauhan from Lux International School Maheshwar. Today I'm gonna teach you chapter number 3, cubes and cube roots of class 8th mathematics. First we will see introduction. What are cube and cube roots? Okay, so in our previous chapter we already studied about square root and squares. Now we will read about cubes and cube roots. Now what are cube roots? Okay, you can see this one. In square, you suppose 2 square. How you can find 2 square? 2 into 2, you will get 4. Okay, like this. Now suppose the cube of 2. Okay, 2 cube. So you have to use 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. Then you will get 8. Okay, like this you can find the cubes of a given number. Now what is cube? You already learn in previous chapter in geometry also. Okay, so this is the picture of cube. Now is 8 a perfect cube? So yes, as 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8. So 8 is a perfect cube. Now you can see the number is given 1. 1 into 1 into 1, we will get 1. Okay, now for 2, 2 into 2 into 2, you will get 8. Okay, now for 3, 3 into 3 into 3, you will get 27. So like this you can find out the cubes. Okay, you can learn this table. Now properties of cubes. Cube of even natural number are even, cube of odd natural number are odd. Suppose cube of 8 will be of even number because 8 is even number. Cube of 525, both are odds. Okay, these are the properties. Now cube of negative integers are negative. Okay, suppose -2, the cube of -2 will be -8. Okay, this is our property. Cube of rational number. Okay, like this we can express. Cube of product of numbers is equal to product of their cubes. Okay, this one. So these are the properties. Now digit in ones place of number and their cubes. If the digit in the ones place of a number are 1, 0, 4, 5, 6, and then in the ones place of cube of the number will be the same digit. Okay, you can see, you can take the example of 11 here. So 11 cube is 1331. You can see 11 cube at here also one at ones place, that is 1, and here also you can see at ones place there is 1. So in the same manner 0, 0, 4, 4, okay, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9. For 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, get the same number. Okay, for these numbers. Now for 2 you will get 8, and for 8 you will get 2. You can see 12. 12 cube is 1728. Okay, so for 2 you will get 8, and for 8 you will get 2. Okay, now in the same manner third, for 3 you will get 7, and for 7 you will get 3. Okay, so on the basis of this topic we will solve our next exercise. Exercise number 3.1. Find the digit in the ones place of the cube of the following number. Now here 65 on, as you can see in our property number 1, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So these are the numbers. So these are the digit in the ones place. They will be the same in the cubes also. Okay, so you can see 65 5, 79 9, 81 1, 40 0, 84 4, 106 6, 99 9, 1155. Okay, so like this you can find out. Now in question number 2, find the digit in the ones place of the cubes of the following number. Okay, for this we will see the our two second and third one. For 2 it is 8 and 8 is 8 for 2. Now 3 and 7. Okay, for 2 it is 8, for 8 it is 2, for 3 it is 7, and for 7 it is 3. Now you can see here it is 8 at one place. We will get here 2. So we will get 2. For 2 it is 8. For 7 it is 3. For 3 it is 7. 2, 8. 8, 2. Now 2, 8. Now for 7. For 77 we will get here 3. Okay. Now for 83 we will get 7 here. Question number 3, find the cubes of the following. So our first question is 22. So how we can find the cube of 22? 22 cube equals to 22 into 22 into 22. Now first you have to multiply 22 into 22, and whatever the answer it is, you have to again multiply by 22, and you will get this as answer. Now in the same manner you have to solve this question. Suppose 7 by 11, multiply 7 by 11, multiply 7 by 11. So you will get, you have to solve 7 into 7, you will get 49, and 49 into 7 you will get 343. Okay, like this 11 into 11 121, and then 121 into 11 you will get 1331. So like this you have to solve these questions. Question number 4, find the cubes of the following. Question number 1, minus 4 by 5. Now minus 4 by 5, multiply minus 4 by 5, multiply minus 4 by 5. So when you will multiply 4 into 4 you will get 16, and when you will multiply 16 into 4 you get 64. Okay, 64. Now 5 into 5, that you will get 25, and 25 into 5, that is 120. Now here it is minus sign, so in answer also we have to mention minus sign. So minus 64 by 125 will be the answer. Now in this manner you have to solve this question. Now question number 3, minus 6 1 by 2. So first you have to multiply 2 into 6, that is 12. 12 plus 1, that is 13, minus 13 by 2. Now minus 13 by 2 into minus 13 by 2 into minus 13 by 2. Okay, so when you will solve this you will get your answer. Now we will solve question number 5, find the volume of a cube with edge. Okay, so the formula of volume of cube is edge cube, means edge into edge into edge. So the given edge is 4.2. Okay, so 4.2 cube we have to find, that is 4 into 4.2. So we will get 74.088 centimeter cube. Why centimeter cube? Because centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, so centimeter cube. Unit also we have to express. Now in the same manner question number 2, 2.8 into 2.8 into 2.8, you will get your answer 21.952 centimeter cube, because in question that is centimeter is given. Okay, so like this you have to solve this question. Okay, now in the next video we will solve exercise number 3.2. Till that you have to practice these questions in your copy, and you have to solve our previous question also of chapter number 1 and 2. Thank you and have a nice day.